Hey guys, Vasily here, and today we are going to be doing a vlog. I am going to a creek by my house with a buddy of mine. He actually has a YouTube channel also. I will leave it in the description below. It's called North Texas Anglers. You might have heard of them. But we're going to be going to a creek, and we're going to be using finesse setups. I'm just going to be using my spinning rod with the old reel that I have. And we're going to be hopefully catching a bunch of small bass and then also some cool sunfish. So we'll get the whole thing on film for y'all. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright guys, so we're here at the creek and I'm with North Texas Anglers and Aiden, and I'm gonna let him talk about his channel real quick so y'all can go sub.
Y'all go check out North Texas Anglers. We got coming up on 800 subscribers right now. We got a store, we got a website, northtexanglers.com. Y'all go check it out, and yeah.
Alright, so we're about to get fishing. Let's go. Let's do this. So right before I get into fishing, I'm going to show you guys what I'm using. This is a Powell, medium light, 7 foot, extra fast action. And this is an old Quantum Energy reel. And I'm just using it for my creek fishing with 10-pound test braid, a leader, and then a tiny, tiny little piece of a green trickworm. That's the secret here at this creek, so we're just going to get on with it. Hopefully we catch some fish.
You got it.
Dude,
that's tiny. Is that a bass?
Yeah.
They're on the...
Look at that monster.
That's huge. Cow.
Wow.
Cow. We got him. Sweet. I love the sushi. What color?
You have pink? Just caught a, I think this is a red-eye sunfish right here. It's beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful.
Sweet. Sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very small green sunfish. That's huge. It's a giant. Just kidding. I'm gonna get this guy back in the water. So many right here.
Dude.
No, right there. Double up. Oh. The right guy here, right? Dub.
Well, oh,
you caught it.
Triple. We just tripled.
I got a bass.
Oh.
No, oh, he's.
We just got 3 different species. Wow. Yeah. There is a decent little sunny right there. Got it. Were you acting like Dill? Did you say that? Whoa. He's good.
Yeah, I want to get that.
Nice one right there.
Look at it. Now that is a big one. Look how small he is. He's chunky. Look at it. Oh, no.
Look, he's pulling. Back reel. Oh my arm back. Got him. Are you going to Louisville? See it?
Oh, that's a big one. You got a big one. Set the Oh, nice one. I got rid. Holy back reel on him.
I got rid.
Why would he eat that? Dumb.
Dude, I saw him eat that.
I thought it too. I thought it was hard. I got rid. There's a fall. Oh man!
That's freaking lit.
Oh, I got one too.
There you go. That's freaking right.
Mine's bigger.